Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the gift card code and making sure it matches your account region. This prevents redemption errors. Sign in to the exact Meta account you use on your headset because credits bind to account identity. Once signed in, open the Oculus mobile app or put on the Quest headset and navigate to the store. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and two-factor authentication is accessible, since the system may ask to re-verify you before accepting the gift card. Next, redeem the code in the store. In the mobile app, go to Profile, then Redeem Code, or in the Quest headset, open Store, Settings, Redeem. You must enter the code exactly, watch for O versus 0 and similar characters, because a mistyped digit rejects the claim. Once you submit, the system converts the card to account credits. Make sure the wallet reflects the new balance and that you understand local currency conversion, since some amounts can appear different than the card face value. Finally, apply your wallet credits during checkout by selecting wallet as the payment method and confirming the purchase. Credits are used first, so no extra payment is charged unless balance is insufficient. If redemption or purchase fails, stop and verify region compatibility, that the card isn't expired, and that you're signed into the correct Meta account. These are the most common issues. If problems persist, take a clear picture of the code and reach out to Meta support with your account email and time of attempted redemption for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.